The situation is, this is match 41 in the Super Doubles Battle Subway in Pokemon. We'll record the match. Wish me luck. This is the third time I've been this far. I've lost both times before. I want to win this time. Third time's a charm. Alright, let's go. Okay, I know it says number 6 right there. But it's not. This is the 6th match of the 6th set. Alright, let's go. Alright. Please lend me a hand for my experiment. Okay, fuck you, asshole. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Okay, Scientist Shan. Okay, Archeops and Magnezone. Okay. Okay. I'm liking these. I'm liking my chances with these leads. Alright. Fuck. Alright, gotta drop the rocks. Gotta drop the rocks. Alright, Garchomp, Rock Slide. Alright, Rock Slide. Okay, good. Come on. Fuck. Yes! The flinch came in. Thank you! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Alright? Okay, one down. 3. Oh, Beartic. Thank you! Oh my goodness! Wow, like this... I'm like getting super lucky right here. Maybe I should record all these matches. Jeez. Right. Okay, bye-bye Archeops and Beartic. Your ass is gonna melt. Alright, dope. Okay, beautiful. It's 4-on-1. Haven't taken any damage. Oh, I don't want to fuck up Espeon. I love Espeon. But I need to win the match. Winning the match is the priority. Oh, wow. Critical hit. Wow. That match... Wow. That match went a lot smoother than I ever could have hoped for. Alright. Alright, as you can see, winning streak, 41, see that? Fuck, it's out of focus. There it goes, 41. Alright, we'll continue this. Never been this far, guys. Oh, shit, man. Guy on a bike, on a train. Alright, guys, I hate my voice, by the way. Like, I know I sound like an idiot. But alright. Guys, I'm freaking scared. Lilligant and Musharna. Musharna. Ooh, Musharna has levitate. Drop the rocks and let's go for this. This is the first time I've ever used this move with Garchomp. First time. Alright. Ah, you fucking asshole, Musharna! Alright, Lilligant, fuck you. You better die. Oh my god, really? Really? Oh shoot. Alright. As you guys see, I should have dropped those fucking rocks. Jesus. Alright, Musharna, you're a bitch. You fucking asshole! Alright, well, fuck you, Musharna. Damn it, Scrafty. Damn. Alright, Weavile. You have a Focus Sash. Please ready Focus Punch. Come on, Scrafty. I know you want to use your Focus Punch. You want to use Focus Punch. And you really want to get burned. I know getting burned right now is your priority, Scrafty. High jump kick, fuck. Alright, let's see you high jump kick me one more time, Scrafty. Pheasant? What the fuck? God, I'm so tempted to just kill the Nope, gotta protect. Gotta protect. Just gotta protect. Come on, please high jump kick. Please be high jump kicking. What the fuck are you doing? Oh no, you're gonna try to kill Drive Shaft. Shit. Fuck. Critical hit. Oh my god. High jump kick, yes. Thank you. Alright. Protected last turn. On Pheasant. And you're just gonna outrage. Okay, Scrafty, you're gonna get ice punched. Fucking asshole. Beautiful. Wow. Just one more set to go. Wow. No, do not want to record that. Because I am recording it. Beautiful. BP. Woo! Go me! There you have it. Match 41 and 42. Awesome.